To make a magic circle, I'm going to take the tail of my yarn. This is the tail of my yarn and this is my working yarn. I'm going to take the tail of my yarn and place it on my 3 fingers, and then I'm going to take my working yarn and pass it around my 3 fingers from the back to the front. Then I'm going to turn my fingers and pass the working yarn behind my fingers to form an X. After that, I'm going to grab my hook and place it underneath the bottom yarn, then over the top yarn and pull it, then twist it and bring it up, then place the hook underneath the top yarn and pull it through the loop like this. This will create a slip knot for the magic ring. And now we can make a double crochets inside the magic ring. To make a double crochet, you're going to yarn over. To make a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and insert the hook inside the magic circle. Then yarn over and pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops first. You'll still have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And that's our first double crochet. Then you're going to make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through 2. That's our second double crochet. Let's make the third one. Yarn over, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through 2. And that's how you make double crochets inside the magic circle. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.